Click here to run a sales analysis summary report, then enter your date range. And click refresh. You are first presented with a customer sales with gross profit by year report. Now you can drag and drop to analyze your data. So I can remove fields from the grid and place into the holding area. I'm looking at a customer sales report now. If I wanted to, I could remove the customer field and drag in the part number field to see a part number sales report. I could do the same thing with territory. I can remove the part number and bring in the territory code, and now we're looking at a territory sales report. You can have multiple fields dragged into the grid, so now I'm looking at a territory by part number sales report. If there's a field that's not available to you in the holding area, you can click the Show Field List, and the Show Field List displays other fields that are available to you. So for example, maybe I would like to display the territory code description to go along with the territory code, so I can just drag it into the grid or the holding area. So in this case, I think I'd just like to see a territory code description sales report. I can sort columns in ascending or descending order. I can right-click any column to sort by that specific column. I can drag in other date fields to provide analysis by many different date periods. So now we have a territory sales report by year and month. You can collapse columns. You can filter your data to find specific areas of interest. So now we're looking at the first quarter of each year sales information. You can move your month in front of the year to display a year-over-year report by month. So here we have January sales for 2001 and 2002, and February sales for 2001 and 2002, and so on. You can move your fields anywhere on the grid, so I can take a column field and move it down into a row field, and I can reset all my filters so that I display all the data, and now we have a nice comparative sales report by month. I can highlight any cell, any group of cells in the grid to dynamically create graphs on the fly. If I highlight more than one column, I can create a nice comparative analysis. In this case, we're looking at a year-over-year sales report by month. You can print this information, you can save it, you can export it, you can email it as a PDF or Excel document. Any cell within the grid you can drill down on and find the details related to that specific cell. You can decide what information you see inside the drill down. So for example, if I wanted to add another field into this drill down, let's say like the territory description, I can just grab it and drop it onto the drill down. You can sort your drill down by any field just by clicking on the column. You can move them around, you can move your columns around, and this will be remembered the next time you drill down on the data. So for example, if I double click again, now I see my format retained.